we will understand more magical sounds. Let's see. Read, learn and write. First sound is OW. So you will say these sounds like crown, cow, owl, bowl, pow, sow, grow, towel, vowel. Down. Now OU sound. Mouse, thousands, pouch, ouch. R, bound, mount, pound, sound, found. Now AW sound. Claw, paw, draw, lawn, saw. Next is AU sound. Ant, pot, fault, hall. Now AR sound. Jar, park, star, jar, park, star, car, march, garden, start, party. Next is AIR sound. Fair, unfair, repair, chair, millionaire, stairs, hair, pair. Now UR sound. Purse, furniture, cutting, church, curl, lurk, burn, burst. Now OR sound. Torch, house, horse, force, for, born, 40, sword, fork. Next is EA sound. Bean, cream, eat, meal, read, please. Peach, beach, pea. Next is ER sound. Herself, perch, jump, poster, super, ginger. Iceberg, water, tower, person. Now OI and OY sound. Boil, foil, spoil, noise, spoil, joint, point. Noise, oil, soil, voice. Those are now toy, joy, roy, boy, coins, choice.